Good afternoon and welcome to the Father's Day version of our planning briefing. This is Sunday, June 19th from Missoula, Montana. We're looking at some key points. There's going to be a period of light to moderate precipitation from currently pretty much the precipitation's already started in west central Montana into Tuesday morning, and it's going to be mainly focused in southwest Montana. And then as this low pressure system moves through our area, snow levels are going to drop to around 6,000 feet for southwest Montana and Lemhi County in Idaho on Monday morning. And then Wednesday and Thursday, warm, dry, and breezy. Our current conditions, you can see the low pressure system is in central Oregon this morning, and then we have this moisture streaming on the eastern side of the trough, and that's what's going to feed this low pressure system overnight tonight into tomorrow. All right, so the biggest gist, everyone wants to know what the precipitation total is going to be. It's going to be focused in southwest Montana, the higher terrain of southwest Montana along the divide, the Flint Creek range and the Anaconda range, 1 to 2 inches of precipitation. And it's mainly going to come in the form of snow tomorrow. And then, of course, the Swan Range out here and the Bob Marshall. This graphic is a little bit deceptive. That could also have 1 to 2 inches. The further south you go in those two areas, the higher the precipitation is going to be. And then as moisture wraps around the low pressure system tomorrow, the glacier area and the northern flathead range is going to see some precipitation, and it could be up to about an inch. This is going to be nothing compared to last weekend. But I'll talk about hydrology concerns in a moment. So in relation to all this, the Weather Prediction Center has put us in an excess of rainfall outlook for tomorrow, and generally it's going to be along the divide down through the Phillipsburg Valley here, southwest Montana, and that's where we'll be in a marginal for excessive rainfall. I was talking about snow, so on Monday, mainly Monday morning, the snow levels are going to come down to around 6,000 feet. You can expect potentially a foot plus in the Flint Creek and Anaconda ranges, and then in some higher terrain along the divide, and then down here along the Idaho-Montana border. Some of our area passes, potentially Skalkaho, Bannock, and Lost Trail, may have a slushy accumulation. It'll likely be in the morning on Monday, and it won't last very long. I don't expect any concerns at those passes. But now, if you're going to be out in the backcountry, especially up above 7,000 feet, you may wake up to having some wet snow on your tent, or you can expect a slushy accumulation on those backcountry roads. Those hydrology concerns, if you've been watching the news, you know that there's been some flooding going on in the Flathead region. That should continue. At least the forecast from the River Forecast Center has it continuing through midweek, and then the flood levels or the minor flooding will recede beginning around midweek. Now, we're expecting by Tuesday the Swan River is going to respond to this precipitation event tomorrow and into Tuesday, and it could just barely bump into the minor flood stage on Wednesday morning. And similarly, we're expecting a response from the Clark Fork Basin, mainly Clark Fork above Missoula, which could get into the minor flood category by tomorrow morning. Just remember, these hydrology forecasts do tend to change, so please check back or check our website so you can see an updated version of these forecasts. And then Wednesday and Thursday, warm, dry, and breezy. For the fire folks, you can see down here in southwest Montana, we're going to get into the low 20%. This is nothing too crazy for this time of the year, and you can expect wind gusts up in 20-25 for Wednesday, Thursday. All right, so looking at our weather impacts for tomorrow, heavy rain in northwest Montana, and then heavy rain in west central and southwest Montana, and then above 6,000 feet, we're putting in some snow for the pass level, potentially minor slushy accumulation during the morning, and then I think you have to go higher than 6,000 feet or higher than our passes to get into any real impacts from snow. Tuesday, minimal impacts from the weather. It should be just start off wet and then cloudy, and then eventually we'll see some breaks in sun. And then Wednesday, we'll see some wind in west central and northwest Montana. And Thursday and Friday, we're going to expand into southwest Montana. So basically, all of western Montana will see some breezy conditions on Thursday and Friday. Well, all right. I hope everyone has a great day today. Our next briefing will be Thursday, June 22nd. And of course, you can call us at any time if you have any questions.